wants you to do.
A warning to provinces and school boards.
When you reopen, it's not if you have a positive test, it's when you have a positive test.
As school districts to our south battle outbreaks of COVID-19 in the classroom. Hundreds of students and staff members from one Georgia high school ordered to quarantine after more than a dozen COVID-positive cases emerged just days into the new school year. The school is the site of this photo of a crowded group of smiling and unmasked students taken on their first day back. A similar photo from another high school in the state of dozens of maskless students moving through their day shoulder to shoulder sparked a national uproar.
We could have delayed school so they could find more safety measures to follow in the school, and they could have found more plans for all the students and teachers and staff members, but they kind of just sent us into school and used us as guinea pigs to see what would happen later on.
Students from that school were forced to stay home for a third straight day. This week, Georgia recorded its highest single-day death toll yet in the pandemic, 137. According to public health officials, more than 3,500 people are being diagnosed every day now. But the governor is still resisting a mask mandate.
There's definitely going to be issues when you open anything.
Teachers in Omaha, Nebraska gathered in protest of in-person learning, which was scheduled to resume full-time on Wednesday, despite reassurances from their board that safety standards will be met.
Social distancing and masking are the two most powerful practices we can do as educators to protect our kids, and we're going to do as much of both as we can.
But experts say the best chance for schools to avoid the same fate as those in Georgia is to have a detailed back-to-class plan.
This is now an opportunity to make a good decision, not in a place of fear, which you can then implement, where people will say, okay, I understood what was going to happen, and now that thing has happened.
For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.